Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying display basics so changes won't bounce back. Open display settings with a right-click on the desktop. Check scale and layout and set scale to a consistent value like 100% or 125%. If you have multiple monitors, make sure each uses the same scale and orientation. Once done, sign out of apps that force DPI changes, such as remote sessions or recording tools, because they can stretch icons even after you correct settings. Now you fix the icon rendering and DPI mapping. First, in Settings, go to Accessibility, then Text Size. Adjust and apply to refresh label layout. Next, right-click the desktop, choose View and pick small, medium, or large icons to restore proper aspect ratios. For stubborn cases, open Display Adapter Properties, click List All Modes, and choose the native resolution and native refresh rate for your monitor. This forces Windows to use correct pixel mapping. Make sure to finish by refreshing the shell and verifying persistence. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click and restart. You should see icons normalize immediately. If the problem returns after reboot, update, or roll back your GPU driver from Device Manager, because driver glitches often distort icon aspect. If that fails, create a new Windows user to test whether the issue is profile-specific. If the new profile is fine, migrate data and remove the corrupted profile. One troubleshooting tip: Safe Mode helps isolate third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.